In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to launch clock and tap on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then, to create a new one, use this plus icon. Set up an hour at the top. And if you wish to use this alarm only once, enable this option, delete this alarm after the reminder is turned off, if you wish to. If you want to use it more than once though, click on repeat and choose one of those options. Quick tip though, if you want to use it once, but not today, tap on date first and set it up. Then choose OK. Let's go back to repeat option though. In case of not wanting to use it once, tap on every day, Monday to Friday, shift workdays. It's cool because you can actually adjust every shift. Or custom, which is my personal favorite, because here you can tap on days of the week you wanna set up. Whatever you decided, go back and click on label. Name your alarm however you wish, if you wish, and hit OK. Then choose ringtone and vibration. Tap on vibration effect at the top and decide which one of those you wanna apply. For example, dancing vibration pattern. You can also synchronize it with ringtone or disable it by choosing no vibration. Go back. Tap on Spotify in order to log in and use music from it. Select one of those sounds. Or, if you wish, hit custom ringtone and pick any from your smartphone by choosing allow and tapping on a melody you wanna apply. Then go back again. Now, click on snooze to decide how many minutes it will take, how many times it will repeat, and if you wanna disable or enable it at the top. Go back and save your new alarm thanks to this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or switch it off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options from the pop-up. If you want to edit it, click on it, make any changes and use the same check mark. To get rid of it though, you can click on it, then hit repeat and for example use it only once for a specific thing. Then enable this option I mentioned before. But if you don't want to use it at all, just get rid of it, hold it, tap on delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!